Welcome to Kuthu's World.
AstraZeneca on Wednesday announced the global withdrawal of its COVID-19 vaccine, Vaxzevria, days after it was reported that the British pharmaceutical giant admitted the jab can cause rare side effects like blood clots and low platelet counts. The vaccine, developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University, was produced by the Serum Institute of India, as Covishield. AstraZeneca added that the withdrawal is not related to the vaccine and RS-CoV's safety profile. However, the UK court litigation is adamant the reason for the withdrawal is due to the decline in the demand for Vaxzevria, which is no longer being manufactured or supplied. AstraZeneca reaffirms COVID vaccine safety amid rare side effect concerns. They now aim to work with regulators and partners to finalize their role in the COVID-19 response. AstraZeneca fully understands the ongoing concerns and it's crucial to emphasize commitment to transparency and safety. From the outset, AstraZeneca disclosed all rare to very rare side effects, including thrombosis with thrombocytopenia syndrome, in the packaging insert in 2021. Regardless of whether it's AstraZeneca and RS-CoV's Vaxzevria or Covishield, both vaccines have been instrumental in saving millions of lives worldwide. AstraZeneca commend the collaborative efforts of governments and ministries in facilitating a unified global response to the pandemic. SII revealed that with India achieving high vaccination rates in 2021 and 2022, coupled with the emergence of new mutant variant strains, the demand for previous vaccines has diminished significantly. In December 2021, they stopped the manufacturing and supply of additional doses of Covishield. According to a petition filed in the Supreme Court, more than 1.75 billion doses of Covishield, including booster doses, were administered in India.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.